Hey everyone, this is Tiash and welcome back to our channel Tiash at the Red California. Since you guys loved my last salad recipe, which was not only delicious but also amazing for your skin and overall health, today I'm bringing you another vibrant bowl of goodness. This salad is made with fresh, spicy and tangy flavor, and honestly, this is one of my favorite for natural glow and youthful skin. We are making a spicy beetroot and orange salad. Trust me, you will want to make it again and again. Let's quickly go through what we need. It's really simple to gather these. First, our star, fresh earthy beetroots. Today first time I am going to use the golden beetroots. Have you ever used it? Then super juicy oranges. So refreshing and beautiful. A handful of arugula or your favorite mixed green for the base. Some nuts or seeds for that essential crunch. Today I am using mixed nuts, but you can use whatever you like. We are going to make a very simple dressing using these ingredients. Alright, let's get prepping. First, you will want to cook your beetroot. Either you can steam it or bake it. Today, I steamed it. It keeps them perfectly tender. But honestly, baked beetroots are my favorite because they get that lovely sweet caramelized flavor. Just peel them and slice them after they are cooked. Friends, just a quick note. I am using this beautiful golden beetroot today for the very first time, as I mentioned before. They have such a pretty bright orange color outside and a bright golden yellow color inside. I'm so curious to see how they taste. But just so you know, you can absolutely use regular red beetroots for this recipe. It's not just look pretty, but a powerhouse. It helps boost your blood flow, which gives you a natural energy lift and supports a healthy heart. Plus, all that good circulation is a secret to getting that beautiful glow from within. Next, our oranges. Look at how vibrant they are. We all know they are full of vitamin C, but here is the magic. Vitamin C is absolutely crucial for your body to produce collagen. Collagen is that essential protein that keeps your skin firm, youthful, and wonderfully radiant. So oranges are basically a natural beauty boost in a fruit. And for our simple but mighty dressings, we will need about a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. Now ginger is not just for a little spice. It's famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe your gut and reduce any bloating. It's truly a little superpower in this dressing. Next goes organic, local, unfiltered honey. Besides being a natural sweetener, honey has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a delicious way to give our dressing an extra health boost. Salt to taste. Pepper powder. Then the drizzle of olive oil is very important to absorb all the fat-soluble vitamins from the greens and beetroot. Next, we will get about a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice for that perfect tang. Now, if you are someone who is interested in the deeper science behind all these amazing benefits, I will drop some reference links for you in the description box below to explore later. Alright, our dressing is ready. Now is the best part, assembling this beauty. First, our fresh, vibrant greens. Always start with a good base. Then, those gorgeous, earthy beetroot slices. Look at the beautiful color of this golden beetroot. Next, those bright, juicy orange segments, adding a pop of sunshine. A sprinkle of our crunchy nuts for texture and healthy fats. Now for our delicious, tangy, spicy dressing. Don't be shy. It's time to add the chili flakes to make it a spicy beetroot salad. Beyond adding that satisfying spicy kick, they can actually give your metabolism a gentle boost. You know, finding easy and delicious recipes like this is exactly what helps us to stick to our healthy goal. If you're someone who wants to enjoy healthy and delicious food without feeling restricted and build habits that actually last, that's exactly what I help my clients with as a certified health coach. My approach is all about finding joyful ways to nourish your body so you never feel deprived. If you are ready for personalized support to reach your wellness goals, whether it's more energy, better digestion, glowing skin, or sustainable weight loss, I would love to support your journey. You can always check out my website at healthcoachtiash.com for more details on how we can work together. And now for the best part. Taste. I seriously can't wait for this. It's so refreshing, slightly sweet from the beetroot and orange. The tangy heat is coming from the dressing, and at the end, that beautiful spicy kick. You need to try this to understand the taste. It's amazing. Honestly, this is one of those recipes that makes healthy eating feel like a total treat, not a chore. It's light, it's vibrant, and it just makes you feel good from the very first bite. It's truly delicious. So if you like my content and excited to try this amazing spicy beetroot and orange salad, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend or family member who would love this, and definitely subscribe for more easy, healthy and delicious recipe just like this one. And don't forget to comment below if you like me to share more anti-aging and skin-friendly meal ideas. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy and keep glowing. Amazing is a small word.